Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. How are you? How are you doing today? Welcome on board and thank you for purchasing my course. You have taken very right decision purchasing this course because I believe you are trying to make money online with affiliate marketing, but you are not success yet, or you have not find the right way. You are doing it in a wrong way. But today I am going to show you the exact method and the best method for making money online as an affiliate marketer. So keep watching. Without any further ado, let's get started. I believe you know what is affiliate marketing, right? But what you don't know is what's the right way to do affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing is you have to choose a product to promote from some vendors or any vendor or any company, and you have to promote it online. When someone buy the products using your affiliate link, you will get a commission. This is the affiliate marketing. Okay, but you don't know how to promote the affiliate link, right? What you know is you think you just promote it on the Facebook or on the Twitter or on the Instagram, or you just share the link on the YouTube comment box, or you just share your affiliate link in the Quora, or you try to do the Facebook ads, right? You try to do the Google ads, you try to do the Twitter ads, or you directly try to promote your affiliate link uh, in the Twitter, in the Facebook, in the Instagram, or in the Quora or in the Reddit. But every time you try to promote your affiliate link, you get banned. You get suspended from your social media, like the Facebook banned you, your account suspended, or your Google account banned, or you get thrown out from the Twitter, Instagram, Google Ads. Every website neglected to promote your link, right? Because it is illegal by their terms. You promote your affiliate link directly to their platform. You can't do it anymore. So what you did, you promoted it on the Facebook, and but sometimes they could take your affiliate link, and someone click the link and they come to the affiliate link, and sometimes they buy, sometimes they not. Most of the time they don't buy, right? Most of the time you can't promote your affiliate link in the Facebook or any other social media or any other website. But if anyhow you get approved on the Facebook to promote your affiliate link, most of the time you won't get uh, any sales, or you can't make any money, because when you directly promote the affiliate link on the Facebook, they'll come to the affiliate page and they see that your customer will see a new offer, but they don't know about the offer, they don't know about the product, and they still don't know about yourself, and they won't buy. They'll leave the page. You can see here, they'll leave the page, and they won't buy. And even you won't find them anymore in future, because you have no footprint of them, right? They will lost entirely. So what's the best strategy to promote an affiliate offer? Let's go. Here is the best strategy of affiliate marketing. You can see what you have to do is you have to promote your affiliate link in the different platform. Like you want to promote your affiliate link in the Facebook or in the Twitter or in the Instagram or in the Google, whatever it is you like, you can promote. But you can promote your affiliate link directly like before. I shown you one second ago. You can see here, you can promote it directly on any platform, but you can do it in a different way. What's the way? The way is you have to create an opt-in page. You have to create an opt-in page. You can see this is the opt-in page. You have to create an opt-in page. What is an opt-in page? The opt-in page is a little text with an image or a video, and you will collect their email address, and when they click on the submit button, they will go to the pre-sale page. What is the pre-sale page? Like if you want to promote these affiliate offer, the offer name is A. If you want to promote this affiliate offer, you have to introduce this offer to your customers before you ask them to buy the product. This is the pre-sale page. That means you have to introduce this offer. This is the offer. This offer is going to help you this way. This offer is will help you to make more money. This offer, this software is going to help you uh, increase your website visitors, or it is going to track your visitors. Whatever it is, you have to tell everything about the offer to your customers before asking them to buy the product. This is the strategy. This is the pre-sale page. Okay, so what's the strategy? You will promote your opt-in page. This is your opt-in page. uh, uh, you will promote it on the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, or whatever it is. And when you get the clicks will be the people will go to this page, this opt-in page. And if they like, you have to offer something for free in the opt-in page. Offer something for free, like you can offer an ebook or a video tutorial or a software, whatever you like. No problem, no worries. I'm going to show you in a minute. First, I'm telling you the theory, then I will show you everything in practically, and we'll set up everything practically. Okay, so when they come to this page, they will be interested, like you are going to offer, hey, do you want to make money online? Then submit your email address and I am going to send you an ebook. So when you read the ebook, you can start selling your domain name for higher rate, or you can start dropshipping business and you can make $100 in a day by doing dropshipping. If you want to download the book, submit your email address and click the submit button. When if they are interested to take the book, to take the ebook or the video tutorial, they will submit their email address. That means they are interested to the offer, because you are offering them something for free that is related to this offer, okay. So they are interested to the offer, they download the offer, and when they click on the submit button, they will be redirected to this page in the pre-sale page. And another work will happen is they will be added to your autoresponder. What is the autoresponder? This is the email auto marketing system. Okay, you set up 5 or 10 emails or the 100 emails for them, because you have their email address. You can send them, when you have their email address, you can send them these offer or the more offers lifetime. Okay, you can see this is the pre-sale page. They will come to the page and they will read about these offer, and if they are interested, if you say them, if you are interested to the offer, if you want to learn more, then click this button. Okay, when they click this button, and they will be redirected to this page, you will be redirected to this page. And why, as already they know about the offer, they will come to this page and they will buy the product, and you make a good and handsome commission. Okay, this is the system, this is the rule, this is the way of affiliate marketing. But anyhow, if they don't buy the product and they go out, they kill the page, they cancel the page, then no problem. You already have their email address, and your autoresponder will send the first email to them, and with this page link, and they will get this email to their inbox, and they will when they click on this page, they will again redirect it to the page. Still when they click the email, like this is the email, this is the first email, this is the first email with this page link. Okay, when they click this page, they will be redirected. When they click this email, they will be redirected to this page. Okay, this page. Okay, and from this page, like this, when they opt in, they will be redirected to this page and this page, and even you can send them directly to this page, no problem, whatever you like. You can send them to this page, and from this page to this page, or you can even directly send them to this page, no problem, whatever it is. So no worries, I'm going to show you the real strategy. And if they still don't buy, no problem, you'll send them another offer in the second day. This is the second day. Okay, so this is the way of how you can promote your affiliate offer. So what do you need to start promoting your affiliate offer? What you need is one domain name and one opt-in page and one pre-sale page. Sorry, one pre-sale page. You need one pre-sale page. Let me write it down. This is the pre-sale page. Pre-sale page. And what you need is the autoresponder. Okay, what you need is an autoresponder. So let me show you everything to set up. Let's get started.